From garden to pantry. A quick guide to harvesting and storing herbs. Harvest season is here, and it's time to start thinking about how to keep our homegrown herbs fresh all year long. With a little patience and care, you can harvest, dry, and store your herbs to enjoy their fresh flavors long after the growing season has ended. Continue watching for a quick guide to harvest and store your herbs. Or scan this QR code to read the blog that inspired this video. First, timing is everything. Timing plays a significant role in getting the most out of our herbs. You want to harvest them when their essential oils are at their peak, giving them their wonderful flavor and aroma. The best time to harvest herbs is in the morning after the dew has dried but before the heat of the sun. This keeps the oils concentrated in the leaves and gives you the most potent flavor. For leafy herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, wait until they've grown a decent amount, but do not let them flower. Once they start to flower, the leaves can become bitter. For woody herbs like rosemary, thyme, or sage, you can snip off the sprigs anytime, though you'll still get the best flavor just before they bloom. Second, harvest without harming your plants. We want to harvest our herbs in a way that encourages more growth, rather than stunting them. Don't cut off more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. It needs those leaves to keep growing strong. Use sharp pruners and/or trimmers and cut just above the set of leaves. This will help the plant branch out, giving you more herbs to harvest later. Drying herbs. The old-school method still works. Drying herbs is one of the best ways to preserve them for long-term use. There are a few ways to do this, but one of the easiest is just hanging them up. Step 1. Rinse your herbs gently with cool water to remove any dirt or bugs. Shake them to remove excess water, then pat them dry with a towel. Step 2. Gather a small bunch, 4 to 6 stems, and tie them together with a string or rubber band. Step 3. Hang the bunches upside down in a warm, dry place, out of direct sunlight. Somewhere with good air circulation is best. In about 1 to 2 weeks, your herbs will be completely dry and ready to store. If you're in a hurry or maybe you don't have the right conditions for air drying, you can use methods like oven or microwave drying to speed up the process. Oven drying. Spread your herbs in a single layer on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven on the lowest setting, ideally under 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 hours. Keep the oven door slightly open for airflow. Microwave drying. Lay the herb leaves between 2 paper towels and microwave them in 30-second intervals. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes total, depending on the herb. Storing your dried herbs like a pro. Once your herbs are dry, it's important to store them properly to maintain their flavor. Glass jars with airtight lids work best, but you can also use resealable plastic bags. Just make sure they're kept in a cool, dark place like a pantry. Keep your herbs whole, like rosemary sprigs or basil leaves, until you're ready to use them. Crushing them releases essential oils, which are great for cooking but cause them to lose their potency faster when stored. Dried herbs typically stay fresh for about a year, though their flavor will slowly fade over time. To get the best results, check them every now and then. If they've lost their scent, they're probably past their prime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do you have any tips on harvesting and drying herbs? Let us know in the comment section down below. Let's grow together. Need any pruners, storage accessories, and more? Check out our store. We have a family-owned and operated online store and physical location in Ardmore, Oklahoma, serving plant people since 2019. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media.